that they're building something that is kind of forward thinking and that isn't going to be a burden on the environment.
Welcome to CMGD TV. My name is Ian Fung. I'm a high performance builder in the city of Vancouver. I'm building a duplex from ground zero to net zero. And today I want to introduce to you the designer and mastermind of this project, Architrix Studio. Let's check them out.
Architrix coming up.
Oh, look at these guys. Jevin, good to see you. This is Khang from Architrix Studio, and this is his entire team. There's a lot of firepower in this place. These guys are the masterminds behind the project, and we want to talk about how this project came about, what ideas were put into it, and what makes this net zero project special, and how we're going to build it. I'm with Khang, the owner of Architrix Studio. We've been working together for the last 10 years. So for our project on E6, I want to highlight how you guys came about to getting this from thought to paper. I want to know all about it. Let's check it out.
All right.
Well, first of all, it's a net zero house.
Yes.
Right? Net zero, a lot different from the typical Part 9. How is it different?
The idea of net zero is that you're producing the same amount of electrical energy. You're producing that through your solar panels, which equals the amount of electricity that you need to heat and cool your house and your hot water. The electrical demand of the heating and hot water will be offset by the solar panels on the roof.
Why would somebody build net zero?
The biggest reason is just to feel good about the project. They're building something that is kind of forward thinking and that isn't going to be a burden on, the environment. That's the biggest reason. And then the subsidiary reasons are the city of Vancouver provides incentives for building net zero. Up until 2030, any building, residential building, whether it's a single family or duplex or multiplex, if you achieve a net zero standard, you get 19% more square footage.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a big amount of square footage you end up receiving. The more you concentrate on the envelope and the performance of windows and of your airtightness, the better high performance home you'll have, which ultimately means lower energy costs. We'll kind of just briefly go through floor by floor. There's a lot to cover, but we'll just generally share some highlights. So the basement walls are a 2x8 wall at 24 inches on center. So this is basically just concrete and then wood and then insulation in there. And that's it. That basically covers the basement, fully insulated, really airtight, really functional and cost effective. And once we get to the above grade walls, these days everyone's looking to save money. Everything's so expensive. The way to achieve a net zero high performance home really is a combination of insulation and airtightness. When we get to the roof is a truss. So we've designed the roof to be a simple roof that you can fabricate with a truss. Really quick to install. You can see on the right screen here, that's the roof plan. So there's the peak in the middle, which represents this line here, and on each side of that are solar panels. The shell is going to do its part to make sure the home is airtight and highly insulated, and the solar panels will provide the offset for the energy usage for the home.
I also noticed that we have awesome ceiling heights.
Taller ceiling heights come more stairs, so it's a balance between what the homeowner would like visually and how capable they are of climbing, 11 feet of stairs.
You know what caught my eye about this project is the windows.
At the front and the back of the building, we have these angled windows that follow the underside of the ceiling. We're matching the slope of the roof with the window, which just captures more light and just fills in the space.
I did notice on the upper recessed window area, you not only have it sloped, but you have it sloped inwards. That's a really cool function. I mean, my framers are gonna have a look at that and be like,
yeah,
look at that. Like, how often do you see that level of detail?
That's kind of what I like to bring to each project, is a sense of uniqueness and a sense of playfulness to the homes.
Is there a feature door or sliding door that in the back side of the house?
So the front of the house, there's no, the only door is the front entry door. We're towards the back of the house, but there is a big sliding door set off the back here. And so there's the connection from the interior space out to the deck. And obviously the city limits how big these things are, how big the house is. We find a base plan that is suitable for the client. And if they agree with that distribution of space, we basically just equalize the building and then mirror the floor plan over.
Just can't wait. This is the first net zero duplex in my books.
Yeah.
So I'm glad you designed it because
Yeah.
you make the best plans out there.
Yeah, and this is not our first, so there's a lot of experience and a lot of technical information here brought from our previous projects.
I saw a whole bunch of awards you have out there.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can add one more to that.
Let's do a couple. Yeah, a couple more awards.
All right.
Thank you.
Looking forward to this build, Khang. How do we get a hold of you, Khang?
You can reach me at Architrix. Well, you can check out our website at architrix.com. And if you're interested to arrange a chat or a meeting, just shoot me an email, info@architrix.com, or just call our office at 604-677-7877.
All right. Looking forward to this build, and I'm excited. And then thanks for having us here.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Okay.